Meaning of endear.
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 Endear. The word endear means to cause someone to be loved or cherished. It involves creating an emotional attachment between two individuals, where one endears themselves to the other through their actions, words, or behavior. The result of endearing oneself to another is that the person becomes highly valued, appreciated, and considered important in the eyes of the other. Endearing themselves to someone else can lead to stronger connections and deeper relationships, as it helps to foster trust, respect, and intimacy between the individuals involved. Overall, to endear someone is to make them feel special and cared for.